We've welcomed AI into our lives as a miracle tool. It answers our questions, writes our reports, even tells us what decisions to make. But here's the uncomfortable truth. The more we let machines think for us, the less we think for ourselves. Is AI helping us or slowly replacing the human mind?
AI has revolutionized industries, healthcare, finance, education, entertainment. But this isn't just about automation. Unlike calculators or spreadsheets, tools that required you to understand the problem, AI does the whole job. It doesn't assist your thinking, it replaces it, and that's the danger.
In classrooms across the world, students are turning to AI for answers. A study from the University of Pennsylvania found that students who used AI for practice scored worse on tests. Why? Because real learning comes from struggle, not shortcuts. When students let AI solve their problems, they skip the thinking entirely. That's not progress, that's mental decay. It's not just in schools. In the workplace, AI is becoming the new brain. The National Institutes of Health warns of AI-induced skill decay. Employees offload tasks to machines and over time forget how to do them themselves. We're losing innovation, creativity, even judgment. In finance, in healthcare, in business, people are forgetting how to think. When we stop using our cognitive muscles, they shrink. Let's be honest, AI is in everything now. WhatsApp, YouTube, Facebook, they say it's here to help us, but is that the whole story? Something feels off. It's like they've handed us a piece of metal and said, let this think for you. And slowly we agreed. But here's the cost. The more AI solves your problems, the more you forget how to solve your own. The answer isn't to fear AI. It's to use it wisely. AI should enhance our intelligence, not erase it. We need to reclaim our minds. That means encouraging deep thinking, complex problem solving, collaborative learning, human-first decision-making. Companies must build a culture that values human thought, not just machine output. AI is here to stay, but we decide how it's used. Will we become slaves to our own tools, or will we rise as masters of both mind and machine? Your brain is your power. Don't trade it for convenience. Think harder. Think deeper. Stay human.
If this message hit home, share it, comment with your thoughts, and let's keep the conversation going. Because in a world full of artificial intelligence, we need real human intelligence more than ever.